What we're going to work with today is being able to move columns very quickly. This is just going to be a quick short video to show you how you can switch columns in Excel. So I want departments to be where days are and days to be where department is. So many times we will highlight a column and cut, or I did Control X to cut, or you can right click and cut. And then when we try to paste, Control V, then at that point it actually gets rid of the other column. That's not what I want. I actually want to switch them. So let me hit escape to get out of my cut or copy mode. And I'm going to highlight the column again. So my Control spacebar highlights the column very quickly. And then I'm going to hold down Shift and drag it. So first you need the right cursor. See, this cursor has 4 arrows like that. Hold down Shift, hold down the left click of your mouse, and you just switch them. And they switch places. It's like magic. Let me show you again. So I'm actually going to highlight the whole column. Make sure I have the 4 arrows. Doesn't matter which side you're on. Hold down Shift, hold down the left click of my mouse, and just drag it. And it's like magic. You're able to shift, right? Switch columns by holding down Shift. You try it. Speed up your time in Excel. Learn to excel in Excel. It'll be great for you.